Good morning, everyone. Mr. Bouwman here. Today is April 23rd, and I have a quick announcement for you, and it's easier just to do this in video form rather than type out a long, lengthy email. Now, a couple things. I'm going through our Google Classroom. I'm taking a look at our work, and right now I'm looking at assignment number 1, and I have assigned this to everybody to complete and do. And it looks like we have 83 assignments that have been returned. However, out of those 83, I would be willing to bet that 20 of those were returned with the notes to complete the assignment, okay? So I'd like to review this real fast. For assignment number 1, you are either to read or listen to all the section work that goes along with lesson number 1. Now, if you read it, cool. If you want to listen to it, put the earbuds in, hit play, watch the content be read to you, do the interactive stuff. Very easy, very simple. Now, a couple of things. A lot of you are going on to Google Classroom. You see the assignment, and what you're doing is you are marking it as done without completing the assignment, okay? Not trying to be mean here. I'm on to you. I know what you're doing, and you need to stop doing that, okay? So with the assignments, you have to do the assignment, which means with all of these right here, you have to read or listen to it and then answer the questions in your science notebook. I'm going through the notebooks, and there are several of you that marked it as done, and you don't have a single response in your notebook, or you have like maybe 4 or 5 responses and you're marking it as done. That's incorrect, okay? You have to do all the questions that are assigned to get your full credit. All right. Now, assignment number 2. With this assignment, you are to read or listen to the summary, the key science concept, check those out, review your vocabulary cards again, and then your lesson game is the thing that you need to do when it's all said and done and it's complete. Okay. With your lesson game, I expect a pretty decent score. Okay. I'm not expecting perfection because obviously we didn't get to go over this and review it in class, but scores of less than 50%, that means you need to go back in and try again, review the content again, do the lesson game again. And I have several students, much like assignment number 1, you don't even play the lesson game and you're marking this as done. Again, you're going to receive a 0 score from me because you did not do the assignment. Please stop doing that. All right. So even though you're telling your parents that you're completing the work and you're marking it as done, I'm leaving notes on gradebook explaining to your parents that it's not done and you didn't do it, okay? So moving forward, let's stop that bad habit, okay? So I don't mean to sound all dad in this video, and if you're doing your work, I just want you to know a thank you. I appreciate that. That's super awesome. But for those of you that are not putting your best foot forward here, I'd like to see a little bit better of an effort. And I explained this in our office hours yesterday. You have until 4 o'clock tomorrow, Friday, to complete all the work. Once your work is complete, I'm going to check how much time you spent on your TCI book. I can see that through Clever, and that will help me determine your participation for the week. But again, the work is here to help you learn the science concepts that are required by the state of Michigan, and you need to do the work, okay? So as always, if you have any questions, make sure you send me an email, baumanj@jibdis.net. Make sure you're getting all your work done, and as always, stay healthy, stay safe, and make sure you're getting science done. And have an awesome Thursday, everybody.